Don't do this. Wash your hands. Don't do that. Be careful, that's hot. Follow the recipe. Parents, let's talk about the kitchen. Sometimes it sucks being a kid in the kitchen. Here's 5 rules that will make the kitchen more fun. 1. Don't correct me all the time. That just makes me want to run out and never come back. 2. Don't get mad if I fail. A smart guy once said, we learn from our mistakes. Shh. I believe that guy. 3. Don't rush me. Learning takes time. Try to relax for a minute. 4. And what's wrong with being messy? It's actually more fun. You guys need to work with your control issues. And finally, 5. It's okay to get tired or lose interest.